The 2025 Polestar 4 is a sleeker and sportier model of the Polestar 3 SUV. The 4 features a sloped rear end, like many coupe-like SUVs, and a different tail lamp design than the 3, but the most notable change is that it does not include a rear window, instead opting for a computerized rearview mirror. The entry-level model has a single 268 horsepower electric motor driving the rear wheels, while the dual-motor Polestar 4 has all-wheel drive and 536 horsepower. The dual-motor powertrain includes an adaptive suspension system, whereas the single-motor type has a more traditional passive damper suspension system. We anticipate that the single-motor vehicle will take 6.5 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, while the dual-motor model will accelerate substantially faster. Polestar claims that the 4 SUV would travel approximately 310 miles per charge, although that is only for the single-motor model, and the dual-motor variant should cover approximately 280 miles per charge. The enormous 94.0 kWh battery pack can be charged at up to 200 kilowatts via a DC fast charging connector, and Polestar claims it can charge from 10 to 80% in 30 minutes. The interior design is pleasant and minimalist, and it can be lined with vinyl, Nappa leather, or a knit textile produced of recycled plastic. All models include a huge 15.4-inch infotainment display with Polestar's latest Google-based interface. The system features Google Assistant, Google Maps, and access to Google Play. Don't worry, Apple users, CarPlay is featured as standard. A 10.2-inch digital gauge display is also standard, displaying basic driver information such as speed and battery range, but this information can alternatively be projected onto a 14.7-inch head-up display. A 12-speaker Harman/Kardon radio system is offered, and it can be upgraded with added speakers in the front headrests, increasing the total speaker count to 16. Every Polestar 4 comes equipped with a package of driver assistance technologies as standard, but you will need to pay extra for the company's hands-free driving technology, known as Pilot Assist. The pricing of the 2025 Polestar 4 ranges from $56,300 to $74,300, depending on trim and additional features.